Adverbs of manner. Tom's Magic English. Today we're going to take a look at 20 most common adverbs of manner in English. We will also provide example sentences. Let's go then. Slowly. He walked slowly down the street. Quickly. She ran quickly to catch the bus. Quietly. They whispered quietly in the library. Loudly. The band played loudly at the concert. Gently. She petted the dog gently. Roughly. He handled the box roughly and broke it. Carefully. She cut the paper carefully with scissors. Carelessly. He drove the car carelessly and caused an accident. Neatly. She wrote her name neatly on the paper. Messily. He spilled his coffee messily on the table. Happily. She danced happily at the party. Sadly. He cried sadly when he heard the news. Angrily. She shouted angrily at her brother. Calmly. He spoke calmly during the interview. Nervously. She tapped her foot nervously during the exam. Excitedly. They cheered excitedly at the football game. Patiently. She waited patiently for her turn in line. Impatiently. He tapped his foot impatiently while waiting for the elevator. Easily. She passed the test easily because she studied hard. Hard. He worked hard to finish his project on time.